The following question reads that the sum of the electrical currents into a point in a circuit is equal to the sum of the currents out of the point. Which statement is correct? What that statement basically means is that if there's a point, a node, and there are currents leaving, for example, E is leaving that node, so there's current traveling out of the node, and there are currents that are going into the node, for example, C, A, B, and D are going into the nodes, then the sum of the currents entering and the sum of the currents leaving, they would be equal. So A plus B plus C plus D, that is going to be equal to E plus F. So the current entering the node and the current leaving the node, they are going to be equal. So now coming back to the question, which statement is correct? It says that this is Kirchhoff's first law, which results from the conservation of charge. So the first statement is actually correct. It is the Kirchhoff's first law. This statement is the first law, and it results from the conservation of charge, because the charge that is entering a node and the charge that is leaving a node, they're going to be equal. So the amount of current entering a particular node and the amount of current leaving a particular node, they are going to be equal.